Well, we just kind of wanted to, do an event that would attract some of our customers, the community, maybe those that don't know us, just to bring them in and kind of show them what we do. Show them that we're just people too. We're no different than anybody else. We just have a skill in working on people's homes, and we want people to be comfortable that we're in their homes.
Hey, I'm Teresa, Marketing Manager at All Comfort Services, and this is Aaron Robarge.
Hello.
And he's our electrical manager. So we want to let everybody know that we are having an open house at All Comfort Services.
Yeah.
The open house is August 8th. It's a Saturday, and it's from 9 to 2 p.m. And it's at our location at 5245 Voges Road in Madison, Wisconsin. So Aaron, why don't you kick it off and tell a little bit about what the open house is going to be about?
Well, we just kind of wanted to, do an event that would attract some of our customers, the community, maybe those that don't know us, just to bring them in and kind of show them what we do. Show them that we're just people too. We're no different than anybody else. We just have a skill in working on people's homes, and we want people to be comfortable that we're in their homes and things like that. So, that and plus maybe they can learn a little something about their own heating cooling system while they're here. Obviously not theirs, but how those systems work, and we're going to have some plumbing demos and some electrical things too. So it'll be a lot of hands-on activities. So.
Yeah, so we want to, open it up, let people know what the trades are essentially, like what are these things that our technicians perform for customers in the home. So there's going to be a generator on site.
Yeah, we're going to do a actual live generator demo. So we'll show you how a transfer switch works. We're going to create a power outage scenario. The generator will start up on its own and transfer, from utility side to the actual generator side, and we'll just have a demonstration to kind of show how all that works. A lot of people, they've never seen a generator in person. Maybe they've seen one, but they've never seen it in operation, and this will give them a chance to actually know how they sound, how they work, and kind of some of the inner workings of all the components that go with having a generator.
Yeah, and it's a no pressure area, no pressure situation. You can come and just take a look and watch and see what it is. And people have been having questions with the recent electrical storms, and in the wintertime, power goes out, and people, they've never thought about a generator. So it's a good time to just come and check it out and ask electricians, ask specific questions. You guys will be on hand.
Yeah, it's a hands-on demo. That's the idea. It's we're not trying to sell you anything. We just want you to know what they're all about. And gosh, if you got interest in one, let us know. If you don't, carry on and see some of the other exhibits.
Yeah, and so we're also going to have a gas furnace demo as well, right?
That is correct. One of our techs, he's quite the teacher, and he's got his own little demo that he sets up using a portable propane tank. Plus, Lennox has offered us to give us their kind of skin-off furnace, so you can see all the inner working parts of one. TJ does a great job at explaining all that stuff too. So there'll actually be a live working model. It's not a new model, but it still runs on the same principles as the new ones do today. Plus, we'll have some of the newer models that Lennox has to offer, just so you can kind of see what's out there and those kinds of things. So.
And our plumbers are going to have something on the plumbing side too, right?
Correct. Yeah, we're going to do a, kind of show what a power vent water heater is. Maybe have some pictures. We might even have an old chimney vent that we might be able to get our hands on by then. But just kind of show the efficiency behind that and why it's important. And then some basic plumbing system, just photos and things that people can see so that they get a better understanding of how their plumbing system works. And we're also going to have our guy that's kind of assigned to sewer and drain maintenance have some things of what not to put down the drain, and kind of show some of the equipment that he uses. A lot of demos, so you can get a better understanding. It's basically an educational piece through and through. Just come down and see what it's all about. So.
And we're also going to do some fun things, like we're going to give away a gas furnace, a Lennox gas furnace, right?
Yep, absolutely. So just come on down on August 8th, like you said, from 9 till 2. And the grand prize is a gas furnace from Lennox. Obviously, there'd be some installation costs, things like that, but we're giving away a ton of prizes, actually. The list is so big, I got to read it off. I don't have it all memorized. So we got stuff from the Madison Nightmares, the Mallards, Space Time Entertainment, Kiva Sports Center, Angelo's and McFarland, Madison Axe. Lennox is also giving a gift basket along with a furnace. We got Escapade Salon, Parthenon Euros. They're giving away some Euros. Prairie Athletic Club, Cave of the Mounds, Old Hickory Golf Club, Buck and Honeys, Legacy Academy and Activity Center, and Spartan Bowl right here in McFarland. So.
And Quick Trip gift cards
That's
too.
right. That's right. There's a couple good Quick Quick Trip gift cards that came in a little late after this was printed. So yeah, but lots of stuff to give away. So, I mean, even if you're not interested in the gas furnace or whatever, there might be a prize that you could get your hands on or something, and yeah, it should be fun.
And bring your kids, because we'll have some activities for the kids.
Yeah, nothing too crazy, but we're gonna have like kind of a coloring area. We're gonna take some old furnace boxes and maybe you can build some forts or something like that out of them. You're more than welcome to take stuff home, however it works out. We're gonna actually have a few of our trucks on display. So kids can, and adults can go inside and actually see some of the tools. I don't know if we're necessarily going to be having you wander around inside the trucks, but at least you can see kind of, the parts that we carry, the tools that we use, things like that, and we'll have techs on hand if you got, any questions at all. There's going to be lots of people here that'll be able to help you get a better understanding of either your home's mechanical systems or the services that we offer. So
yeah, so from 9 to 2, Saturday, August 8th. And we're also going to have a food truck available, so you come down and you can get something to eat and walk around, enter to win prizes.
Absolutely, yeah, promises to be fun.
One more thing, we've got a couple businesses that are related to our industry that are going to be there. Can you tell us a little bit about those?
Yeah, so we're going to have SCS Construction. They're one of the remodeling companies that we do work with hand in hand. If you are considering a remodel project at your home, they'd be a great company to talk with. And like I said, we work with them direct. Lennox is also going to be here. They're also going to demo a filter system and some indoor air quality products too. But they're going to have a tent set up and they'll be able to answer any questions. And then we're going to have Accurate-Airtight exteriors. They are a company that deals with getting your home insulated well and making sure that it's airtight so that your heating and cooling systems and things like that all run more efficient. It's all about, making that efficiency. So yeah, we're going to have some local vendors here as well. So, lots of education, if you're looking to remodel, if you're looking for a furnace, if you're looking for an AC, or if you just want to learn something, electrical generators. We're actually going to do a little LED lighting demonstration too, just to show that it's so much more efficient and kind of the qualities behind that. But yeah, there'll be lots of good stuff. So.
Right, lots of ways to learn about these things in a no-pressure situation, and talk to comfort consultants even about, hey, I need to get a new gas furnace or air conditioner.
Absolutely.
And, so no obligation, very low-key.
Yeah, but if you go on our website, there's some information on there as well. We're also going to have people on hand that, hey, by the way, my toilet's been leaking. We'll be able to book a call right then and there if you'd like, set you up for even that day if it's an emergency. We'll have people available. But at the same note, we'll be able to get you signed up for joining our Comfort Club. You can find out more information about that on our website, or, come on down on August 8th and we'll tell you all about it.